Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to upload guys auto screen problem guys. How can we solve guys? So if when you own guys any app so as you can see guys your phone rotated. So guys how can you solve this auto screen problem in your Oppo phone? In this video I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon friends, and like my video friends. So it's now let's see guys how can we guys solve this auto screen problem guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to solve this problem guys? Open your phone setting and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see this type of settings. So guys click on guys your display and brightness setting, and step here and scroll it. So once you can see guys your auto rotate screen, so you want to solve this problem. So at right side guys you can see in your phone guys it's enabled, so it means on. So you can tap here, then guys it will not rotate guys your program as always. You can see, so when you will rotate guys, when you will remove your phone like that, so it will not rotate guys automatic. So like that guys you can solve guys your auto screen problem in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.